Hello and welcome to Story Media. Are you tired of wasting money on cable TV and buffering servers? Would you like to discover the best IP service? Then look no further, you are in the right place. Enjoy the most stable server and high-quality streaming and best support. We are TiviMate Store. We have over 5 years of experience. We offer you the best premium worldwide TV channels, sport, movies, TV series. Enjoy more than 35,000 TV channels, movies and TV shows, with features of catch-up and EPG. Exclusive latest movies and series. The top TV shows, the latest hit movies, children's shows, and everything else you want from our VOD library. Free and weekly update. A 5-star IPTV experience. With the best price. Gain full access to all premium channels. We provide different contact method, so you can contact us anytime. We are most trusted IPTV provider in the internet. Welcome, we are waiting for you.